So today I am going to draw Hindu Maswala portrait. So let's start. I am making this video in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Firstly, I am starting drawing with eyes because eyes is very detailing part of the any portrait. I give some detailing with mechanical pencil because detailing are very important for any portrait. For shading, I am using hatching method. Firstly, I am shading with light pencil, then using dark pencil. I am shading in light to dark. You use the mechanical pencil for small detailing and don't using the directly dark pencil in dark parts. Firstly using light pencil, then using dark pencil.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying.
So I am starting shading the beard. I am giving strokes in direction of the beard.
There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweat. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it
ਜੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਨਾ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਤੌਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ। ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਤੂੰ ਬਾਪੂ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਰਿਆ ਐ, ਹੁਣ ਬੋਝ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ